good practice and a good meal after, huh? Okay, building blocks, huh? Every day we pick something up, huh? Let's go, let's go.
Del, okay ka lang, Del?
Sniper kanina eh. Na-sniper ako eh. Nakunan mo ba?
Julmar will be on defense all the way through. Marcus will be on offense all the way through. For now, Japet offense, Bo defense all the way through. Score! Score! Good job, Elmer!
Yung kanya dapat, baka TV pala.
Yung stance mo?
Yung stand mo. Hali, ngayon naman yung stand. Kumbaga, pupunta lang may talaga kayo. Para makat. Sige. Live! Live!
Good job. Wala pang tulog yan, ha? Wala pang tulog yan.
Thank you very much. Ouch!
To the corner, everything on here.
I feel like we're on 4. Kahit din ako ng Pinoy po today. The best.
Yeah, this is sinigang, man. This is the stuff right here. You gotta get some of that.
High school ako, nakasabay tayo sa pero 1 year old ka. Yung UP high ako, yung kami kulelat pala.
Hindi, kami kulelat din kami.
On the old duck.
But it's in the egg, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, when you eat it, it's inside. It's like bones and shit.
Oh, for days na walang Filipino food. Ito, sumama mo dun, no? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay!